What's up, you guys? It's your Skinny Boy Randy. It's a beautiful day. Look at that sunlight. I hope you're having a blessed, prosperous, growing day. And I have finished planting my seeds, you guys. I'm a little tired and out of breath. Seed starting is a lot of work. But now the greenhouse actually looks like a real greenhouse. Let's come on in. It's a very windy day, so I'm going to close the door behind us. Okay. So as you can see, things are planted. Oh, that wind is really strong, you guys. Bear with me. Close the door all the way. So we have our Rutger tomatoes. And I planted everything from seed with my soil mixture. These are market more cucumbers. These are more tomatoes. And you know my mixture is cocoa coir, potting mix, worm castings, and a little coffee grind. Look, y'all, do jack-o'-lantern again. I'm gonna try that. Corn, collards, we have lettuce, yeah, you guys, I've been planting all day. And see, didn't even have to buy any cups because I save all my cups from when I buy plants. We got squash, beefsteak tomatoes, Keystone resistant giant peppers, big Jim chili peppers, more tomatoes, cucumbers. Yeah, you guys. We even got more stuff over here. We're gonna try these golden wax beans in the hanging basket. More carrots. And these are from the Valley Green Seed Company, you guys. Valley Green, I got them off of Amazon. The ones where you see the seed packs, those are the Valley Green. Let me just clarify. Everything else came from the Moped Marketplace. Those are more carrots over there. Down here I planted some basil, some coriander, cilantro, and some parsley. And down here are the leeks. Look at these leeks, you guys. I put these in the ground from a cutting literally 48 hours ago. Well, today makes day 3. And they were cut all the way down to that white piece. Like that. And look at the growth out of that white piece. It was cut sharp. Even this teeny tiny one, it had a little root on it. And look, it's sprouting. So I should never ever have to buy leeks again. And leeks are like an onion. They're just not as strong, but they're sweet and good. So yeah, you guys, this is the greenhouse. I'm quite sure we'll be adding more. Glad you guys are here. Thanks for joining the Skinny Boy Farms. I love you guys. You're the best. Remember, live, love, laugh. Grow stuff, y'all, and eat it.